Hey, good morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. A little earlier this morning, maybe a little different crowd out there. Hey, so good morning. What we're going to talk about today is today across Michigan weather-wise. It is a beautiful day once again, a beautiful fall day. We're going to talk about some rain toward the end of the weekend, early next week, and definitely some cooler temperatures finally on the horizon. Slightly cooler than normal, and we are not used to what is normal, so that will be a big shock to the system once we get to it. Make sure you chime in and ask some questions if you have any, and I will try to answer those for you. Okay, this is the radar forecast for today, and we can zip through that one pretty quickly. We're going through the day and you don't see anything, and that's because it will be an entirely dry day once again, and should have quite a bit of sunshine. Hey, Allison Davison from Houston. These are the temperatures today in Michigan. High temperatures. All right, Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, 66 or so. Muskegon, 63. Jessica, is it forecasted to be a cold winter? I'm going to actually talk about that toward the end here, and we get the NOAA main branch of the National Weather Service winter forecast later today, and I will post on that. And there is one thing happening that will help us have a little skill in winter forecasting. All right, Detroit around 70, Ann Arbor around 70, Flint, Saginaw Bay City, Midland around 68 degrees. Hey, good morning, Alta. You're up early. Can you wear shorts today, Jessica Watkins? I don't know where you live, but here are the high temperatures. You decide if you wear shorts in that kind of weather. I do. Shorts and a sweatshirt. Okay, 68, Saginaw. Head north to Traverse City, 64. By the way, peak color or near peak color inland on the water, Old Mission Peninsula, still almost green. So in the Traverse City area, you can have about 2 more weeks, depending on where you go. Chandra Kelly says she needs a roof done in Jackson. This is perfect roof doing weather. Hopefully you get it done, because a lot of people put that off and then they want to do it when it's cold. High temperatures in the UP today around 60 degrees. Hey, Dane from Flushing, good morning. All right, so we got ourselves a great day, sunshine, about 70 degrees in most places. This is the temperature anomaly forecast over the next 10 days. Okay, we're going into the weekend here, and this is the warm weather ahead of our cold front on the weekend. This is Sunday. We are warmer than normal, and we are into Monday and into Tuesday, still continuing warmer than normal. But as we go into Wednesday, we see our first little blast of cool air. This is going to bring us maybe 5 degrees cooler than normal. Remember, normal highs then about mid-50s, so that's a high of about 50 degrees. That's not cold, but it's certainly a big change. What's the wind going to be like? Tony wants to know. The wind is going to be out of the southwest today and fairly brisk again, like yesterday, 10 to 20 miles an hour. Okay, and then we're into late next week, Friday, Saturday, and this is a little more significant cold snap. This is 10 degrees colder than normal, 53 normal at that time, so that means you're looking at temperatures for highs in the 40s. Western Upper Peninsula does not even show a temp. Let's see here. Let me go back for you, Shannon. Maybe I just didn't show it. It shows, but 59 to 65, somewhere in there. Laura Shorkey, when is this wind going to stop blowing? We are in the wind season, and it's going to be fairly windy now, because we're going to be warmer by a couple of days, and that comes in on a wind, and then we'll turn colder by a couple of days, and that will be wind too. Amy wants me to give her daughter Ophelia a shout out. Hello, Ophelia. Hey, that's a great name. I like that. Jody McFarland Freeman, good morning. What are we looking for at low temps next week in the evening? Well, RV Man Matt, when the cooler air hits and we have highs of 50 on Wednesday, we'll be looking at evening temperatures of about 45-ish. And then when it gets even colder by the end of the week, we have 40s for highs, we'll be looking at probably 38 to 43 for evening temperatures. Now, I do have a post going here. La Nina chance is increasing, and I looked back at 5 years that had La Ninas similar to the strength that we expect, and you can read about it here on MLive, and people are chiming in. So people are sharing and people are commenting, and that'll give you an idea of one of the things that NOAA will probably be using to help make a winter forecast this afternoon, and I will post that for you. So there you have it. Another fantastic day here in Michigan as far as mid-October goes. Sunshine, temperatures near 70 degrees, still on the breezy side. And as a result, we've got a great day. We do have some cooler weather finally coming. Someone's asking, when do I think the first frost will be? I think next week we will start to get into a frost or two. When we have high temperatures of 45 to 50, usually drop off 15 to 20 degrees, and that puts us into the frost. Good morning, Jody McFarland Freeman. Hi there. All right, where in Michigan am I right now? I'm in Interlaken, Michigan. Later on, I'll be in Saginaw. You know, keep moving around. All right, so hey everybody, have yourselves a great day. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. We'll keep you updated on the rain for Sunday and Monday, and the cooler temperatures on the way. Until then, start raking leaves. Bye.